Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about ethics and professional responsibility in Australian law practice. Before we dive deeper into the topic, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming informative videos. So let's go to the mobile screen and discuss in detail. So here we are on the mobile screen and we are going to discuss about ethics and professional responsibility in Australian law practice. So first of all, let's open Google Chrome and here we will search about ethics and professional professional responsibility responsibility in Australian Australian law practice practice so ethics and professional responsibility. Let's open this topic and here are ethics and professional responsibilities in Australian law practice. What is ethics and professional responsibility? Whether you intend to work in private, corporate, or government practice, and whether in a large or small law practice, and no matter where that law practice is physically situated, this subject is relevant and important to you and to the community. You will further your understanding of the role of the legal profession in the legal system, in particular its responsibility to serve the community successfully, as you will soon be accorded the status of an officer of the Supreme Court. You must be familiar with the values that are significant to the legal profession and know and understand the legal rules, regulation, the profession unit purpose. Beyond mere knowledge of the rules, you will develop the skills to identify and respond appropriately to ethical dilemmas. In this subject, you will learn strategies and techniques to help to reduce the prospect of a disciplinary complaint being brought against you, how to respond professionally if a complaint is made, the confidence to voice ethical concerns in practice, and how to maintain trust and general account records. According to law and good practice, you will complete four tasks in this subject based on real life case studies that an entry level lawyer is likely to face in practice. Each task has associated activities. Learning objectives. At the end of this subject, you will be able to demonstrate the competence required of an entry level lawyer in identifying, addressing, and resolving ethical issues as they arise in practice, knowing when to raise ethical concerns and concerns regarding compliance with trust accounting obligations with others, identifying and discharging any duty imposed by law and by professional rules in particular situations, including in connection with the maintenance of trust and general account records, identifying and meeting fiduciary duties, including in connection with dealing with the property of others, identifying any potential or actual conflict of interest or duty as soon as responsible, reasonable in the circumstances, and taken effective action to avoid a potential conflict, or where a conflict has already arisen, dealt with it in accordance with the law and good practice, taking appropriate action to avoid a conflict of interest arising in the future, displaying professional courtesy in all dealings with others, identifying and complying with any rules applying to charging professional fees, including maintaining files, notes, and records in accordance with law and good practice, calculating costs in accordance with law, good practice, and any agreement between lawyer and client, recognizing